Hello everyone, how is it going? It's Nobel Susank here and welcome to this tutorial series on how to build a vendor inventory system on Laravel 6. So in this video tutorial we'll be setting the backend layout for our project. For that we'll be using three bootstrap admin template. Okay, now let's go to our browser and type admin.lte.io. This is the free bootstrap admin dashboard template. Okay, I'm going to download this template. Let's click on this download button here, and here let's select this our latest release admin LTE 3.0.1. From here let's download this. Let's download. Okay, I've downloaded the admin LTE file and extracted it on my desktop. Here you can see. Let's open this folder, and on index.html let's open this file on Google Chrome. Okay, you can see its dashboard design, how it looks like. And then from here let's go to see our form designs. This is the form designs, and then we'll go and look our data tables design. We'll be using the data tables here. Okay, you can see this data tables design. Due to this, I think this will be the best template for our project. You can use any that you think will be the best for you. Okay, now let's go to our folder here. Let's copy this dist and plugins folder from here, then go into our inventory system project file, then on the public folder let's create a new folder, name it asset. Then inside this asset folder let's paste this folder. Okay, now you can see this folder has been already copied to our project folder. Now let's open this index.html file in our text editor here. It's opening. You can see here the code. Now what we'll do is let's go to the resources file here on views. Inside the layouts you can see the app.blade.php, but we'll not be using this. We'll create a new folder here. Let's create a directory. Let's name it backend backend. Okay. Inside this backend we'll create a new file, named it as blade. app.blade.php. Okay, here we'll be using all these things up to wrapper. Let's paste it here. Then where does this end? Okay, you can see this insert. So let's copy all this from here to here. Okay, let's paste it here. After that, let's see in our auto-generated app.blade.php file. Let's paste the CSRF token here. This will be pasting this CSRF token initial page. Let's paste this title too. Here is We'll be changing the title. Okay, now what we'll do is inside the backend folder, we'll create one new folder named it as partial PRTALS. It's named it as partials, and inside this folder, we'll create a new file. Let's name it as sidebar.blade.php. Bar.blade.php. File named it as footer footer.blade.php. Okay, what we'll be doing here is we'll be copying our the footer, top bar and nav bar there. Okay, let's go out. Okay, not this. Okay, it's here inside this index.html. Let's go to the top. From here you can see this is our the top bar. Let's copy this top bar here. Then you can see this is our sidebar. Let's copy this sidebar to here. Okay, it's pasting sidebar. This is our main content, and this is our footer. So let's copy it to our footer.blade.php. Now let's go to our this. Let's copy all this content wrapper in our backends.layouts.php. Here let's include our @include include. What it is, it's called BSKN in the backend.partils partials dot sidebar. I think what's wrong here. Okay, here layouts layouts. Sorry, it should be, I think, sidebar only. Above the sidebar it should be the top bar, and after this content wrapper here will be copying our footer footer. Now you can see here the path. This is not the actual path that we have here. We'll see our file is inside the asset, so let's define it here. Asset asset slash plugins. Okay, this is how will be defined for all our links and scripts. So I'm gonna pause my video for a while to make the video short. Okay, here as you can see I have defined all the path for my these links here, and also I have done define the path for my scripts. Okay, now here let's go to my home blade.blade.php and let's define its path as b and the backend. Okay, now let's go to our database and let's check the design how it look likes. Okay, it's refreshing here. Okay, you can see we have successfully loaded the design here. Okay, let's check this logo what happened here. For that we'll be going to the sidebar. Let's expand this. Okay, as you can see, need to define the path here too. As you can see, this is inside the disk folder that we have already copied. So let's set and paste it here. Also same, this is inside the disk folder that we have already copied, so no need to worry about this images file. Set and paste it here. Then we can see here the images will be appeared here. Okay, spelling is wrong. See, I have defined here triple S, which will be only double S. Okay, corrected. Let's check this. See, the image has been come. You can change these images if you like. Now let's remove all this from here or nowhere because we don't need anything from here. So let's go to our this top bar. Let's expand it. We don't want this search form. We don't need this right navbar link for our current project too. And also let's remove this form and the contact page. Okay, let's run this. You can see all this has been removed, only this bar has been left, which will help us to do slide. Okay, now here let's go to our footer. You can see 2014-19 will be changing this currently. Okay, in our footer here let's write PHP dollar copy year equals to 2019. This copy year will be the our that year in which the website has been started, and your current years year, and our current year will be that year in which the year has been running. Okay, now here copyright at the rate PHP CCHO echo dollar COPY copy year dot dollar copy year is not equals to dollar current year, then dot dollar current year equals to empty. Let's remove this, and here let's change this link to my SOS pukral.com.np. This is my website links, and I'll rename it as NBLZ Nobles SOS HAN can Susang also SOS HAREL Susang Pukral. Okay, alright, reserve. Let's change it to version 1. Okay, let's go and check. You can see it has been sent. Okay, let's see here the date. You can see here it's 2019. But what if your website establishment date was 2018? Then how it look like? So let's see here. Okay, you can see it will automatically be 2018. That's 2019. So you no need to worry about this. And let's click here. It will open my website susangpokhrel.com.np. You can see this is my the website where you can find many tutorials. Let's go back to our project. And finally here what we'll be doing is in our home page, let's remove all this code and let's go to our backend app. Let's copy this content wrapper from here, cut this and paste this content wrapper here. Then on our auto build app folder here, from here we'll be copying this main and L content. Let's manage this. Let's open this. After that what we'll be doing is, okay, let's go to our home blade section, container fluid. Okay, currently let's remove these fields, and on our content here let's remove dashboard, home, dashboard b1. Let's remove this will be dashboard or home page. You can write anything one. Let's refresh our page. You can see this will be our main dashboard page. What I will, okay, this content wrapper, I think this content wrapper will be, let's copy it from here. The let's manage. Okay, on our home let's remove this content wrapper. Okay, at first let's copy this and then let's remove this. Then here after this let's paste this, so that this will be those. Now let's refresh my page. Okay, you can see this has been gone. It looks better now. So this much for this tutorial. See you in the next video where we will go one more step ahead of our project. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then this is the right moment to subscribe. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed on my channel, then subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will be the first one to get the notification of my new video.